Hello little artist, today we're drawing Princess Leia and Darth Vader. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna start by doing a line on the bottom of the paper. I'm grabbing my ruler and I'm grabbing my pencil and I'm just gonna trace one line where my characters are gonna be standing. Don't worry too much about how long the line is gonna be, we just want the characters to stand and at this line right here, and you can even leave a space in between the paper and the line. The next thing I'm gonna do is I want to start tracing circles. So my characters are gonna be the size of 3 heads. That means that the body, the total of the body is gonna be 3 heads long. So I'm doing my first circle. I hope you can see it. It's a little bright. And then I'm doing another circle. So the first one will be the head, the second will be the body, and the third circle is gonna be the feet. Okay, so let's do our best to do our circles the same size. Actually, this one looks a little bigger than the other one, so I'm just adjusting. And don't worry about these lines, we're gonna erase them later. So 1, 2, 3, there, okay. And yeah, we're gonna try to do the same size. Okay, now we're gonna do Darth Vader, and because he's bigger than Leia, we are gonna do bigger circles. So I'm gonna start doing the first one is the head, and I'm gonna do my best to do the second circle the same size. Okay, I want to mark this a little bit more so you guys can see. Okay, so let's do one more where the body is gonna be, and then one more where the feet goes. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's where my character is going, and don't worry, I have my eraser to erase these lines later. Now I switch to marker. Okay, so we're gonna start doing Leia's first, and the first thing I'm gonna do her hair. So let's do this circle right here, and the first circle is gonna cross the circle I did first. Okay, now let's do a curvy line that goes up, and I'm gonna do another curvy like that goes down. Okay, now let's close the head from this point and join to the curvy line. Now I'm doing the other part of the hair, just half a circle, just right here. Now I'm gonna do the face. So for the face, I'm just gonna do half a circle following the circle of pencil I have. Okay, right there. Now let's do a little neck, so just 2 little lines and close or join those lines. That's the neck. Okay, now let's do the neck of the dress. So I'm gonna start doing a little curvy line, another curvy line, and now I wanna just extend those lines, but now I'm not gonna join them. Now I did a little line on the left, and I'm going to do a little line on the right side. 1, 2. Okay, now let's do the first arm, so little line there, and from this point I'm gonna do a rectangle. Okay, the bottom of the rectangle has a little bit of curvy line, and now I'm gonna do the other arm. This arm is the one is holding hands for Darth Vader, so I'm doing 2 curvy lines to the top, and now let's do one more that goes down. And Princess Leia has a belt, so I'm just curving here a line to join the last one I did, and I'm gonna do little details here, just one line here and another one over here, just to put a little bit of a texture on the dress. Okay, continue with the hand. Okay, so we're gonna do 1, that's the thumb, and the other fingers, the hand is a little close, so we're gonna do 1, 2, 3 fingers, and now we're just gonna close on the bottom right there. Okay, now let's close this line right here. Okay, we finished this point of the dress. Okay, Now I'm gonna continue with the belt, so I'm just following along the first line I did, and I close them together, or I join them together. And now let's do the dress. Is one line down, now a curvy line, another curvy line. Now let's do the other side, one line down and one more curvy line, and close it. Now the shoe is going to stand in this line, okay? So I'm going to try my shoe to touch this line right here, okay? So let's try to don't cross this line. So I'm going to do my best to put it right here. So I'm going to do an oval shape actually, see? And now I'm just going to do one line, two lines for the leg. It's a little like stand. Now for the second feet, I'm just doing like a little U shape, you see it? And now I'm gonna do one, two lines. That's the legs and the feet. One more line here and one more right here for details on the dress. Okay, now let's do the face of LEIA, and I'm just gonna do little curvy shapes like N shapes, nose and a smile. Now let's finish the details of the hair. So I'm putting little lines on the top, and I want to show you how to do the bun that she has right here. I'm going to start tracing lines. One goes up, I'm going a little down, one more that goes down. See, I'm crossing the lines, kind of like leaving a little bit of a space, and then trace another one. Okay, that's it. I think we finished with LEIA for now. Okay, now let's continue with Darth Vader. So the first thing I'm going to do is a half a circle on the top, half a circle right here for his helmet. So just like that. Okay, now I'm going to do a little line right here from this point, and it's going to go in a little bit. Okay, just like that. Okay, now let's continue doing a diagonal line, and now goes to the right, kind of like up a little, and now we're gonna join those two together. And from this point I'm gonna do like a super thin rectangle. Okay, now let's do a curvy line that goes down to this point. So I'm just gonna follow down, and let's do another one right close to that one. Okay, right there. Okay, now from this point I'm gonna go down a little and then do a line that goes to the right, just tiny line. The next thing, I'm gonna do a triangle right here. So let's start this point down, stop right there, then now close my triangle, and I'm doing a second one inside of this one. Okay, so I'm just leaving a little space in between them right there, and inside of that I'm doing two little lines. Now let's do the next the other side just like this. I'm continuing with this line, and I'm gonna do the same thing that I did here, kind of like down here. Okay, so going down and close it. Now let's do the part of this part right here, so another rectangle, and I'm gonna copy this too. Okay, so I'm gonna do this kind of like a triangle thing here, so just like this. It's a triangle, and I'm gonna finish by doing a line that goes diagonal down here, so it's making a triangle, and another one the same, and I'm closing the bottom part. So I'm just gonna do a line right here and another one over here. The next thing is the eyes, and the eyes I'm gonna do it like a half a circle right here. Okay, so let's do half a circle and another half a circle, and then I'm gonna do kind of like a curvy line. So I'm just doing a little line right there, and from this point I'm gonna go up and connect to the other side. Okay, just to this point. Okay, so let's start by doing line, curvy line, and you see it goes wider on the top part, okay, like wider, and then they just join to that. And now I'm gonna close my eyes by doing half a circle and half a circle. Once that we color, these eyes are gonna look better, you will see. Okay, now let's continue with the neck. So I'm doing another triangle right there, and from this point I'm gonna do half a circle that goes around that triangle, so it closes rectangle to rectangle. Now let's do the arm. I'm gonna start by doing half a circle, kind of like an N shape, and from there I'm gonna pull 2 lines down, 1 and 2, okay, right here. And this is gonna join hands with Princess Leia. So let's close the arm right there, and now I'm doing the hand. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a curvy shape, goes around Leia's arm, 1 finger, and close it. And now I'm close Leia's arm. Okay, now let's do a little bit of a cape right here. So I'm starting at this point and goes down and stop right there. See, it's like a curvy line that stop right in Leia's arm. Now let's go down in the other side, same thing. We're gonna start doing the arm. So I'm just gonna go down and stop right there. So can you see I'm fitting my head in the first circle, and now I'm fitting my body in the second circle. Okay, now let's do the bar of the belt. So I'm starting from this point right here, and I'm gonna continue to the end of my circle. Okay, so I'm gonna stop right there where my circle is finished. You see it? Now I'm doing a line that goes down here for the arm, and now let's close the belt. So I'm just following along the first curvy line and close it. And let's put some details here. So I'm putting a square, and now I'm gonna put 1, 2 lines, and let's put more lines inside of those. And now let's do the chest. Okay, and in the chest he has like kind of like buttons in there. So I'm just gonna do first a square, and now I'm gonna do on the top corner, top left corner, I'm doing 3 lines, and in the top right corner I'm doing 2 rectangles, and on the bottom I'm doing 3 circles. Okay, now I'm gonna do here like the glove. So from that I'm doing just 1 horizontal line, and I'm just gonna leave the glove open right now, like just like here. Okay, I'm not gonna close it for now. Okay, now for doing the bottom, I'm gonna start doing a triangle, but the triangle is kind of like flat, not pointy. Okay, so I'm doing a line right here, and now I'm gonna connect this here. Now I want to stop right here. I want to stop the video for doing kind of like guides for the lines right there. You see them? I'm gonna do a little bit of guidance for the legs. Right, so I'm gonna start by doing a diagonal line down, and now I'm gonna do the curvy line from the boot, and then I'm gonna join that to the top. Now let's do the boot part. So another diagonal line now that goes kind of like to the left, down, and now I'm gonna close the boot right here. Now the next leg is gonna be extended, and so I'm doing again a diagonal line that goes down and pretty much touch the line that we have on the bottom. And let's do one more, but that one doesn't go that far, and I'm gonna do kind of like a C shape, kind of like backwards C. You see it? And now I'm just gonna do half a circle for the boot. Let's finish this hand by joining this point, and the last thing I need to do is the cape. Okay, so I'm gonna continue from this point. I'm just gonna do a curvy line right there, another one, a little tiny one here, and I'm doing lines just to get a little bit more detail. Let's put a little bit of a cape out here. Okay, so the last part is gonna be the balloon that LEIA has on her hand, and it's gonna go all the way up. So let's start doing a line from her thumb all this way up. It's gonna cross over her hair, and now let's do a triangle, like it's kind of like don't close it on the top, and from this point I want to do a circle, so it goes all the way around and it's gonna connect to the right side. That's it. So we finish. Now we're just gonna erase the lines that we did on pencil, and now my favorite part, let's color. If you get to this point with me, congratulations, you did such a good job. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching!